Hey, and welcome back to another video. Dustin here from the Gravity team. Conditional logic is a powerful tool that lets you create dynamic forms that are more personalized and less overwhelming for the user. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use conditional logic with your forms. Let's dive in. For this example, I'd like to add conditional logic to my contact form by asking the user how they would like to be contacted and then presenting them with either an email field or phone field based on how they answer. I'll first add the email and phone field to my form, then add a radio buttons field that asks the user how they would like to be contacted, either by email, phone, or text. I'm then going to open the field settings for the email field and enable conditional logic. From here I can choose to hide or show fields based on different conditions that need to be met. I only want this field to appear if the user wishes to be contacted via email, so I'm going to opt to show this field if all of the following match. The field "How would you like to be contacted?" is email. Next, I'm going to enable conditional logic for my phone field and use the plus icon to create two rules for this statement. I'll then set the conditional logic to show this field if any of the following match. The "How would you like to be contacted?" field is phone or text. With my conditional logic in place, the user will only see the email field if they prefer to be contacted via email, and only see the phone field if they want to be contacted by phone or text. I'd like to add one more field that asks the user the best time of day to call them. Once again, I'm going to use conditional logic and have this field only be shown if the user wishes to be contacted via phone. If the user indicates that they want to be contacted by email or text, this field will not appear. Finally, I'll save my settings and embed my form on a new page. I'll then test my form to make sure everything is working correctly. You can also use conditional logic with your confirmations and notifications. We have videos on how to use both, linked below. And if you need help on setting anything up, please don't hesitate to let us know in the comments. Thanks as always for watching. I'll see you in the next video.